Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, you can see the box. We're going to take a look at something by Gerber. Today is going to be the most different Gerber review I have ever done. Oh boy, I got a lot to unpack in this one. So, as you know by that thumbnail, everything else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at the Affinity. And I got it with the copper scale, with the D2 blade with the black coating and the copper scale. I liked the way that looked. What I didn't like is, well, the package showed up tore up. Seriously, tore up when it got here. When I got it, the package was essentially like that. Alright? So, that's for number one. Then we got a little bit of a story to unpack, and then we're going to get into the blade. But here is the blade. Okay? I saw it on their coming soon for a while. I got the email. I had a 15% off code from Gerber, so I jumped on it quickly. I wish I could say it's shipped quick, but I can't. Some of you know I have had issues with Gerber before. Like when I got their flat iron with the blue micarta scale and the D2 steel, how the first one got lost in shipment. I've ordered from them before, and the order has just been canceled because it didn't move out of one stage to another in a quick fashion. The Downwind series that I've brought to the channel, I didn't even get a shipping notice, and they showed up on the front door. This sat in an order status for 2 weeks. After 96 hours, my money was returned to me, but I never got anything saying the order was canceled. So when I noticed it'd been 2 weeks, I contacted Gerber, and I got, oh my god, we're getting overflooded with emails, wait 96 hours before somebody can get back to you. Then when someone got back to me, it was, dude, we're so sorry this has happened to you. I see your order's currently active, it just hasn't moved on. Just be patient, man, it's the holidays. And I'm like, no, this isn't in the reserve line. And if you've ordered anything out of the reserve line, they tell you up front it could be 5 to 7 weeks before it ships, because they have to hand make each order in the reserve line. Another 2 weeks went by. I contacted Gerber again and went, this is ridiculous. Cancel my order now. I do not want you charging me for this blade. And then I hopped on Amazon, picked one up, and it would have been here within 48 hours. Seriously. Ordered the thing. So within moments of Gerber receiving that email, I got their usual, hey dude, we're getting a lot of emails, be patient. And then I got another one going, I don't know why this hasn't been completed. We cannot cancel this order for you. It's in pending. You're just going to have to let it ship. And then they went, you know what? As a way of customer service, we're going to give this to you for free. When you get your shipping notice, let us know and we'll refund your money. So miraculously, after that email happened, I got a shipping notice. 48 hours later, I got this in the mail. So sorry, I had to unpack all that, and the moment I got the shipping notice, I notified Gerber. 24 hours after that, I had a refund. So at least I will give them credit for trying to make a problem correct, and that's not what this video is about, but I'm droning on with that because it's a story that needs to be told. The other problem that I have, and we're going to get there in a moment in the review, okay? But let's get into this, and let's unpack, well, this blade. Now, I've been holding it back for a little bit because this is not a copper scale. There's no way this is a copper scale, and I'm going to prove that in kind of a moment, all right? But still, it's got an overall length of about 8.5. The blade is about 3.625 with a cutting edge of about 3.5. The handle itself is about 4.875. It has a minor weight to it of 4.62 ounces. Now, Blade HQ calls it a drop point. Gerber, did they even put it on here? No. Gerber calls it a clip point. I'm looking at that more of kind of like a spear, but It doesn't matter. It's a neat blade. I wanted it. I got it. It's got a plain edge with a flat grind, and like I mentioned in the earlier stages, D2 steel. It was an upgrade from their other one, which costs a little bit less than this guy. There are 2 versions of this available. I really like the look, the fit, and the finish. I really wanted that for my collection. And no Rona, just allergies. I really wanted a copper scale for that, the patina that grows and that fit and finish thing. But yeah, so like I said, D2 steel. It's got a black, their oxide coating, traction oxide coated finish, whatever the Gerber does. Stainless steel frame with a frame lock, and it also includes the pinch plate, so you're not trying to go too far over and really wrecking the frame lock. I really like that pinch plate idea. Now, the pinch plate and the scale is supposed to be copper. Right there. Do you see that? Come on. Okay, that's about as best I can get it. See those scratch marks? That's kind of where the zip tie was standing when it came in. Not to mention, look right up here. That's not patina. That looks like it's wearing through. It's really not a bright coppery thing. It's like a burnt copper that's already got wear marks coming through it. And I've had this thing less than a week. Alright? I honestly do not believe that is a true copper scale. I believe it's copper plated. So, I'm sure there's going to be somebody out there who's going to tell me I'm wrong. Please do so and back it up. Not just with, oh, you're stupid, you don't know real when you see it. Back it up why you can tell me that's real copper. Okay? Now, you can only carry this thing one way, right hand carry, tip up. The one thing that I like that they did, the thumb stud is adjustable, so you can move it up and down the track. For me, I found out that it works pretty good right where it's at. We do have a lanyard hole, and yes, it is made in China. Alright, let's get to the cut tests on this guy. Now, we usually only do 3. Why do we do these 3? Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why do these cut tests. Heavy-duty stock paper. Wow. That's not bad for a Gerber that's only a couple days old. Got a little bit of snowfall, but that ain't bad. See if we can get a curlicue. Ah, that's my fault. Well, alright, I'm not going to press my luck too much. It started to go there in the beginning. You can see it's, hopefully you can see right through there. It was really turning back in on itself, kind of like wrapping itself around. But towards the end, the paper started to tear, so no big deal. Alright, the River's Revenge. Paracord. Little bit of effort, but it went through. Not as buttery smooth as I might have liked, but still. Alright. Now, I gave him a break in the last video I filmed. No more Christmas amnesty from Mr. Ratchet Strap. Here we go. Okay. Check blade like we usually do. A little bit of snowfall up there. No biggie. Don't see anything really wrong with the blade, so okay. Now, I did the homework on this guy on December 22nd, 2021, and I'm currently filming this thing on December 23rd, 2021. I looked on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, this guy is $52.25. It is Prime eligible. Over on Gerber's website, this version is $53. On Blade HQ, it's $42.95. Now, on Blade HQ, it has yet to be reviewed. On Gerber, it's been reviewed one time and got a 5 out of 5 star rating with no words, no anything, just 5 out of 5. And it has yet to be reviewed on Amazon. Oh, I've been waiting for this one when I did this video out. Get ready for it. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. I want to know, do you think it's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? With full honesty here, if it'd been a real copper scale, it would probably be my everyday carry from this point moving forward. It's sleek, it's slim, it's got that gentleman's blade look that you guys know on my channel that I love. Okay? The black on the copper is a great look. But the fact that it's not a real copper scale, I'm kind of meh. I like the look. The price point was okay. Free, obviously. But, yeah. I'm just, I know the light's not catching it right, but it's hard to tell you, especially like right up here, where I'm seeing silver. The scratches that are right there shouldn't be there, and they're silver. And just the little weird inconsistencies all throughout it. Makes me believe it's not real copper. But that's just me. Okay, so if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do anything during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. Seriously, it's only going to help trigger that algorithm and help the channel out. And I'd be right appreciative of that, especially during this holiday year. Now, well, I should say holiday time of the year. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I'm very grateful for your time today. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can put that to good use in a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know, but it's free, it's free, it's free, okay? Take a look right down there. In just a couple moments, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Please go ahead, click on that thing. One click, easy access to subscribe. Make it easy for you, right? Seriously, make it really, really easy. Now, after you beat up that subscribe, also, if you could, take out the little bell icon sitting right next to it. Why? That's a beautiful question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time when this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Gerber Affinity Copper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.